Good day everyone. I'm here again to cook for you. Today I have prepared pancake for you. So I'm gonna make pancake with banana strawberry for today. So I have put a milk already and I want to put one egg, okay, and a pinch of salt, okay, pinch of salt and a little bit sugar, just a little bit sugar, and gonna pour it. I know everyone can do a pancake, but pancake for me, I always want to create my own. I don't use the ready to cook. Okay, so just mix it and watch with the texture, so you may add again and again until you reach the texture and pancake dough. So easy one. So it's still not. I always using all-purpose flour. The fresh making with the dough is the more delicious. So easy. So I don't need to buy ready to use it. So look, this is okay. A little bit, just a little bit more. Okay. Good. So easy. It's done. Now we can start. For my butter. So I have to I don't want to put so much. Okay. Now I'm using this one scoop at time. Big scoop. So I put too much butter. But it's okay. It's okay. This one my helping hands. And I have one banana, so I just but I need to watching this. Let me This is a very, very simple so look at this. It's fresh and yummy. And I just pressing with this banana. It's ripe enough, and just and do it like this. Okay, so one pancake done. Look at that. And this I can mix up with the strawberry jam. So look at this. Look at it's nice. So I'm gonna make you a yummy dessert. just mix it. And like this, so that you have a big look. And another one, like that, and just grab side by side. Then you have 2 pancakes at a time. Now I want to put a little bit snow sugar. Then you can put more as you like. And I have my then look at this. It's a very, very simple and so easy one. You can do it also. Everyone can do it. Then you have a good yum yum. And thanks for watching. And see you again next videos. Bye.